Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to download images and photos from your Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see right here guys, under suggested, I can see all of my files that I have recently opened. Here I can see all my folders where I can group my files into them, and if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page and look at the left side of the screen. Here you will be able to see multiple options that you can use for managing and viewing your files, such as your Drive option. Here you can see your shared files, your recent opened files, your trash, and so on. So guys, now what we want to do using these options right here, we want to go ahead and find the photo that we want to download. So as you can see here guys, I have already found my recent opened folders right here. I'm going to be downloading this folder right here. Now guys, it's very easy to do and you only need 2 clicks. First, you have to go ahead and find the picture that you want to download, and when finding the picture, you want to go ahead and right click on it. Right clicking on it guys, now this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options such as sharing, getting a link, showing file location, so on. What we want to do is go ahead and find this download option right here. Go ahead guys and click on download. And after clicking on download guys, now you can see that this will start a download from our Google Drive, and now we have successfully downloaded the picture, and now we will be able to open up the image on our PC. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. It's very easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.